Which of the following is not a form of alternative dispute resolution? Well, an alternative dispute resolution is when we have two parties in a state of disagreement and they make a decision not to go down the formal legal approach. And the reason for that is often to do with the cost, the time and the complexity of a legal case. So the alternative dispute resolution seeks to find a resolution between this disagreement without recourse to the full legal system. And generally speaking, there are three types of alternative dispute resolution. One of them is mediation. So when two parties go to mediation, an independent party suggests a solution. So there's a specific dispute, the two parties go to the mediator tries to find common ground and they will suggest a solution. There is no obligation under mediation to adopt that solution. Under arbitration, however, the two parties agree before the start of the ADR, the alternative dispute resolution, that they will be bound by the recommendation. But in the case of mediation, the independent party suggests a solution, no obligation for either party to follow it. I'm going to go on to conciliation next. This is when the independent party helps the two sides to find their own solution. So conciliation, sometimes described a bit like marriage guidance. Yeah, you bring the two parties into the room, you try to get them to see things from the other person's point of view, you try to encourage them to find their own solution. The difference, therefore, between mediation and conciliation is that the mediator will actively suggest a solution that they think is fair, and that with the conciliator will not suggest a solution. That leaves us with harmonization. That is not a form of alternative dispute resolution. Harmonization in a legal context is when countries, states have to bring their own legislation into harmony with wider standards. So a classic example of this would be the European Union has EU-wide legally binding standards, and it's important that those rules are harmonised, standardised across all of the states. But that is not a form of ADR, so the answer is harmonisation.